Today we're here at 1735 Lake Street, Unit 1. It's a one-bedroom in the heart of the Lake Street district. Coming in, we have a living room kitchen combo overlooking the backyard. Then we have a large bedroom. You can easily fit a queen or king-size bed. This is our southern facing windows, so plenty of light coming in. And a nice loft area above the closet for storage. Heading back to the front of the unit is our bathroom with a standing shower. Good amount of room in the bathroom, some storage under the sink. And one more time through the living space. Ceilings are quite high. They're about 10 feet ceilings, 9-10 feet. And lovely view of the backyard. This is in the back of the building, so you're not hearing any traffic noise. There's a view of Sutro Tower.